Hello students, welcome to the chapter Relations and Function. This is a lecture number 9. In this I am going to teach you the new concept in the chapter Relations and Function, that is binary operation. One of the very important concept in the chapter Relations and Functions, that is binary operation. Let us see the definition of binary operation. A binary operation star on a non-empty set S is a function star from S cross S to the capital S. A binary operation star on a non-empty set is a function. It is a function star. We denote binary operation by star from S cross S to S. Then what is this S cross S? It is a Cartesian product. Hope you remember. It is a Cartesian product of S and itself. Cartesian product of S and itself. Then what is the meaning of Cartesian product of S and itself? How the elements will be there in the Cartesian product is the question mark. Hope you all know Cartesian product is also a set consisting the ordered pairs. Consisting the ordered pair means these are having two elements. A pair means two elements. Then binary operation is a function from taking two elements. Then this set S is a set. Then it having only single elements like A, B, C and all. Try to understand students. Taking two elements, arriving to one element means unique element. You have to take two elements. So the name itself says bi means two. Take two elements, get one element. That is called as binary operation. But in the examination you should write the definition. Definition also very important for 1 mark. Define binary operation. Just you write this much. A binary operation star on a non-empty set S is a function star from S cross S to S. That we denote it as star of A comma B is equal to A star B. So A star B means there is an operation between A and B. The operation between A and B. Remember, so this A star B is unique element. It is one element. A star B is operating between A and B, gives us unique element. So these are the basic points that you remember on this binary operation. In other words, we will take this as stepwise. Step 1, take any two elements A, B from the set S. Find the product of A and B. Product means A star B you find out. Star is any operation, either it may be addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, any operation between A and B in the second step. Third step, check whether A and B is unique or not. Check whether A star B is unique or not. In the step 4, check whether A star B belongs to the set S or not. You should check whether A star B belongs to S or not. If the operation satisfies all these 4 steps, then it is called binary operation on the set S. Because we have taken the set S here. You can take any set. It depends on the question. Before going to further, I will take one example to understand better. Let me take the set A as 1, 2, 3. Okay. My operation star is plus here. Okay. Addition I am taking. Take two elements from the set. This is the first step. So 1, 2 belongs to the set A. Find the product means find A star B. So my operation is plus here. So 1 plus 2. I am finding 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. So check whether A star B is unique or not. Yes, 3 is unique. Then check whether A star B belongs to S or not. Definitely 3 belongs to the set yes. Hence plus is binary operation on the set A. That you have to write. Compulsorily you have to write on which set the operation is binary operation. Here plus is binary operation on the set A. So this is one example. Okay. Don't complete the answer with one example. Take one more. I will take another two elements, say 2, 3. which are there in the set A. Okay, first step, AB from yes, they said no. So now I am taking 2, 3 from the set yes. Second step, find A star B. Here star is plus, so 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Check whether it is unique or not. Yes, it is unique. Fourth step, you check whether it belongs to the given set or not. 5 does not belongs to the set A. You can observe set A is 1, 2, 3. 5 does not belongs to A. Therefore, plus is not binary operation. Plus is not binary operation on the set A. You can ask me, sir, here binary operation on the set A, the set is A itself. Here the set A is itself. Even here also the set is A only, but it is not binary operation. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion is overall. The conclusion is overall the operation is not binary operation. It is not binary operation on the set A. Why like that, students? It is nothing but A is having 1, 2, 3. All elements should satisfy the operation. Here what happened? 1 and 2 satisfies, but 2 and 3 does not satisfy. So we should say overall the operation is not binary operation. Hope you are understanding that operation should satisfies to all the elements of the given set, then only it is binary operation. Let me have some examples, basic examples on binary operation. Show that addition, subtraction and multiplication are binary operations on the set R, but division is not a binary operation on the set R. Further, show that division is a binary operation on the set R star of non-zero real numbers. There are two questions here. First question is showing that addition, subtraction, multiplication are binary operation on the set of real numbers, and division is not binary operation on the set of real numbers. Further, another question, division is binary operation on the R star. What is this R star? It is a set of non-zero real numbers. So taking into consideration of all this, let us have the solution. First one, addition. The sum of two real numbers is again a real number. That is A plus B is equal to always a real number. So A plus B belongs to R. And for every A, B belongs to R. Hope you are understanding. I have taken two elements from the set, given set, and I got A star B is also in the same set. For every AB, not only few numbers, for every AB in the set of real numbers, A plus B belongs to R. Therefore, plus is binary operation. So, plus is a binary operation on the set of real numbers. This is addition. Next, subtraction. When we subtract two real numbers, the answer is again a real number, definitely. So that is A minus B belongs to R. For every A, B belongs to R. Therefore, this satisfies the definition of binary operation. So minus is a BO, means binary operation on the set of real numbers. Then for multiplication, the product of two real number is again a real number. The product of two real numbers is again a real number, no doubt. So that is A into B belongs to R. For every A, B belongs to R. So multiplication is a binary operation on the set of real numbers. Next one is very important. Division. Let division from R cross R to R. It is a notation of a binary operation as a function. So let me take A divided by B is equal to A by B. Does not belongs to set of real numbers. Why does not belongs to set of real numbers? Let me take one example. 2 divided by 0. 2 divided by 0 does not exist. It is not there in the set of real numbers. Even though 2 comma 0 belongs to the real numbers, but 2 by 0 means after operating 2 star 0 is equal to 2 by 0, because star is division here. 2 by 0 does not belongs to R. It fails for the element 2 and 0. So this is not a binary operation on the set of real numbers. Hence we call it as Division is not a binary operation on the set of real numbers. Only addition, subtraction and multiplication are the binary operations, but division is not a binary operation. Further, very important, division is a binary operation on the set of non-zero real numbers. So that one I am going to take now. R star is equal to set of all non-zero real numbers. Division of two non-zero real number is again a non-zero real number. Definitely we will not take 0, then we get non-zero only. So that is A divided by B belongs to R star. For every AB belongs to R star. Therefore, division is a binary operation on the set of non-zero real numbers. Look at the set here, non-zero real numbers. Division is not binary operation on set of real numbers, but division is binary operation on the set of non-zero real numbers. Try to understand, it is binary operation only on non-zero real numbers. So this is one basic question, students. Then we'll have some more questions or problems on binary operation. Show that subtraction and division are not binary operations on the set of natural numbers. Subtraction and division are not binary operations on set of natural numbers. Let us have the solution. First we'll take subtraction. Dear students, you know that set of natural number are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 up to infinity. Only natural numbers means counting numbers. So consider star is subtraction, that is minus. My operation in this example is minus, means subtraction. So let us take two elements here. 2 and 3 belongs to a set of natural numbers. Operate these 2 and 3 with the help of operation, that is subtraction. 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Definitely this does not belongs to capital N. So for these two elements we fail the definition of binary operation. Hence minus is not a binary operation on the set of real numbers. Then for division, consider the operation star, that is equal to division here for 2 and 3, same elements from the set of natural numbers, but the operation is division. So 2 divided by 3 does not belongs to the set of natural numbers. Definitely fractions are not there in the set of natural numbers, but 2 and 3 belongs to n. Hope you are understanding, students. I am taking AB belongs to the given set, but its operation, that is A star B, does not belongs to the set of natural numbers. Therefore star is not binary operation, means star is not binary operation on the set of natural number. What is the star here I have taken? That is division. So division is not binary operation on the set of natural numbers. You can see that division is not a binary operation on natural numbers. Hope you are understanding the definition of binary operation. When to say binary operation, when to say not binary operation. Let us have some more questions. Show that star from R cross R to R given by AB is equal to, or AB implies A plus 4B square. Dear students, R cross R is AB. After operating you will get A plus 4B square. What is the operation A star B here? A plus 4B square. If I take 1 star 2, what it will be? 1 plus 4 into 2 square, means I am writing A value as 1, B value as 2. So that you can see A is 1, B is 2, replacing. So that we get the operation. This is about the condition. Show that this operation is a binary operation. Let us have the solution. Let AB belongs to R. A star B is equal to, or A star B is given by A plus 4B square. For example, just now I told you the same example, but I am taking 2, 3 belongs to the set of real numbers. So 2 star 3 will be according to the A plus 4B square. I am going to replace A as a 2, B as 3 here. So let us have the 2 star 3 here. 2 plus 4 into 3 square. So definitely this also belongs to set of real numbers, no doubt at all. So take any real numbers in that a plus 4b square, definitely that gives you the real number itself. Therefore, this is a unique real number and we call it as binary operation. So star is binary operation on the set of real numbers. Let P be the set of all subsets of a given set X. Show that union from P cross P to P given by A comma B implies A union B, and intersection from P cross P to P given by A comma B implies A intersection B are binary operations on the set P. Dear students, the first operation is here union. So union from P cross P to P. It means that it is given by, you can observe the given ordered pair AB is nothing but A union B. If I take into the operation, capital A star capital B is equal to what? What is the operation that you have to do? A union B. If I take M star N in this example, it means that M and N are the two sets. Between two sets, the operation is union. So M union N. So this is the basic condition that we should know. Let us have the solution. P is equal to the set of all subsets of a given set X. Dear students, this P is a set of all subsets of a given set X, whatever may be the set. But P is the collection of all subsets. Taking this P, first one, AB belongs to P. A star B is equal to A union B. Hope you all remember A union B is also a subset of X for all subsets A and B. Therefore, this implies union is a binary operation on P. Next, intersection. Let AB belongs to P. A star B is equal to A intersection B is again a subset of X for all subsets A and B. Therefore, intersection is a binary operation on the set P. So, this is the solution of this problem. Show that star from R cross R to R given by A star B is equal to maximum of A and B is a binary operation. Solution. Let AB belongs to R. A star B is equal to maximum of A B. Definitely maximum of A comma B gives you a unique element of R. Therefore, for every AB belongs to the set of real numbers. Hence, star is a binary operation on R because of maximum of AB is a unique number and that belongs to the set of real numbers is definitely binary operation on the set of real numbers. Hope you all understood the problems on this binary operation. These I have taken in this video are very basic examples, students. In the next video, I am going to solve some more questions on binary operations. Thank you, students.